Have you ever wanted to start your own business, but didn't know where to begin? Starting something small and simple could be the best first step. Why not try a general cleaning business then? It's a great choice for beginners, and in this video, we'll walk you through the steps to get started. So, why is cleaning a good business idea? First, it's really easy to get started. You don't need any special training, certificates, or experience. If you know how to clean, you already have the skills to begin. Starting a cleaning business also doesn't cost much. You only need some basic supplies like cleaning sprays, cloths, a mop, and maybe a vacuum. You don't need to spend a lot of money or buy expensive equipment to get going. You can start small and add more tools as your business grows. There is always demand for cleaning services. People are busy with work and family, and many would rather pay someone to help keep their home or office clean. Homes, offices, shops, and other places all need regular cleaning, so there's plenty of work available if you're reliable. Another great thing about cleaning is the flexibility it offers. You can choose your own working hours. This makes it perfect if you're a student, a parent, or someone who wants to earn some extra money on the side. You decide when and how much you work, which helps you balance other parts of your life. But there are some important things to remember before you start. Cleaning is hard work. It can be tiring, especially if you have several jobs in one day. You might be on your feet for hours, bending, scrubbing, and carrying supplies. So, it's important to be ready for the physical side of the job. Also, there is a lot of competition. Many people offer cleaning services in most areas. To get more clients, you'll need to do a really good job and make sure your customers are happy. Good reviews and word of mouth can help you stand out from others. Growing your business can be challenging at first. You only have so many hours in a day, so there is a limit to how many clients you can serve alone. If you want to earn more money, you may need to hire helpers or offer additional services like deep cleaning or organizing. Finally, remember that you'll be working inside people's homes or offices. This means you need to be very careful, respectful, and trustworthy. Clients need to feel safe letting you into their space, so being reliable and honest is very important. Even if you're just starting small, it's smart to make your cleaning business official. Registering your business lets you work legally and gives you protection if something goes wrong. It also helps you look more professional to your customers. If you're in the US, registering your business usually involves a few simple steps. We have a free guide that shows you exactly how to register your cleaning business in every state. Just click the link in the description to learn more and get started today. Next, you'll need a website so people can learn about your services. IKOL is an easy option for cleaning businesses. Go to ikol.com and click Generate Website. Then just type in some basic info about your business, and the AI will do the rest. You can change anything it creates to fit your brand. It's really easy. Once your website is ready, people can book your services and see your prices online. IKOL also helps you with payments and managing emails, all in one place. Let's talk about pricing. Most cleaners charge by the hour or by the job. You can also offer simply cleaning packages like Basic Clean or Deep Clean, which includes extra tasks. And here's a smart move. Offer discounts to regular customers who book you weekly or bi-weekly. People love deals, and it keeps your schedule full. Be clear and honest about your prices, and always explain what's included. That builds trust and avoids misunderstandings. Now it's time to find customers. Start in your neighborhood. Talk to people, leave flyers, or give out business cards. Use social media too. Post before and after photos, cleaning tips, or special offers on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Put up signs on local boards, in laundromats, or near busy stores. You can also place ads in local papers, and ask happy customers to spread the word. Offer them a small discount if they refer a friend. It's a great way to grow fast. Starting a cleaning business is a simple and smart way to earn money. It doesn't cost much, and you can work on your own schedule thanks to tools like IKOL. So why not start today? Good luck. IKOL, AI for business.